Learning time. Let's learn how to achieve quick head wrap.
Dead baby. What's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. My people, learning time. Please focus your eye on my hand and see the way we are going to achieve this net. This material is called net material. So you can get this material in any material shop. So what we are going to achieve, today class, we are going to achieve bow tie. So the length is 5 yards, because I dropped this video with the pink color. I observed that many people ask me on the comment section how many yards. So it's 5 yards. So for you to have this thick texture, you must carry that 5 yards, because the net is very light. You fold it and fold it many times for you to have this thick texture. Please, my people, once you fold it, you will now knot it. You will take it from the back. I hope you focus your eye. You will take it from the back and bring it to the front. Once you divide it, you knot it at the front. Make sure the shorter part be at the front side. So this part is very important as well. You see the way I open it. If you don't open it, because it's net material, you cannot get the bow tie shape. It will be difficult for you to get the bow tie shape. So my people, what you are going to do, once you open it, then you will now take the short one that is coming from the front. That one always did the front before. You take it to the back side. Now you will now use pin to protect, or you can tuck in it inside for the bow, the back at the both side, and tuck it that short one. Now you will now style your bow, your net bow tie. My people, I hope you now understand the way I take the explain now. Explanation not easy. Explanation of your mates, it's not easy. So my people, in case you don't like this style, I always say to people, I have more than 500 videos of tutorial on my YouTube channel. Check out my YouTube channel. I have plenty style in case you don't like this simple style with ashoki. So thank you everyone. In case you are watching me for the first time, I based in United Kingdom, London. We are into all beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, different head wrap, we dey sell makeup product as well, we dey sell perfume. My people, contact me for your events, book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We dey do okuku as well, the traditional bridal Edo bride, and we dey do for all tribe, any tribe, Igbo bride, any traditional bead tribe hair. Call me, I will come and give it to you the way you want it. Makeup, I will give it to you the way you want it. We dey do loud one, we dey do natural one, simple one, short eyelash, long eyelash, anyhow you want it, I give it to you. My people, I hope you are learning. If you want to learn more, you want to know more detail of how to do makeup on your face and gele, I have 2 YouTube channel and 2 Facebook page. So the other of my Facebook page and YouTube channel, that is where we do more explanation. I always go live on Facebook, on my YouTube Deck Beauty Life. The name is Deck Beauty Life. The same in Facebook, Deck Beauty Life. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Carry me they go the beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go.